guys, we're down on the Gold Coast today. I'm super excited. We're just here at the Manolas brothers store. We're going to go through and have a little look-see and see what we can find so I can cook up a storm tonight. Come with me. Look at all this fabulous pasta. I'm so excited to be here. We've just been down to the bundle markets this morning and I bought so many things. I've got it in my car, so my family's going to be super happy. We've got all this beautiful pasta. Come with me, guys. It's really exciting. And these gorgeous boards, oh my goodness, they're absolutely beautiful. Could make a beautiful roast capsicum, garlic, tomato passata. That would go lovely over that. And the beautiful texture on the pasta, it will just grab that sauce on. And then down here we have the flour tortillas, and I'm really loving these. These go beautiful in the toaster. I've actually toasted them up and they're really delicious. And they're really nice to use as a taco. You can actually hang them over your grill in your oven and let it crisp up. And then I just make my taco mix and pop it inside. So many great uses for these. I love it. And they've got so many different sizes, which is really good. Let's go inside, guys. Fabulous selection of honey down here. I'm loving all this. There's shredded ginger in this one here, and they've got creamed honey as well, so this is looking really good. Over here we've got some licorice, and they've got this most outstanding chocolate section. Oh my goodness, there's peppermint, there's Rocky Road, there's nougat, so many different choices. Oh my goodness, I might have to take some of this home. Okay, and then down here we've got some sauces. And look at the meat section. Oh my goodness. Spanish jamon. And look at all the beautiful salamis and cheese. It's packaged so nicely. Oh my goodness. Here we go. We've got olives. Oh, pepper juice, semi-dried tomatoes, buffalo mozzarella. Oh my goodness. And look at these gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous Mum's Chocolate Kisses biscuits. Oh, they look amazing. And look guys, there's a cake menu as well. So look at that. So you can go online and have a look at all the beautiful things they have on offer. I'm going to take this home definitely for myself so I can order online and come down and pick it up. So many beautiful biscuits. What do we got over here? I'm like a kid in a candy shop. It's so exciting. Oh wow, we've got gherkins and mayonnaise. Beautiful. Oh, and these pears look delicious as well. Beautiful pears in syrup. Here we go. Now we're talking. We've got all the olive oils and the balsamics. Oh, and they've got all my favourite ones as well. Oh, delicious. We've got red wine liqueurs. What else have we got? Pomegranate. Oh my goodness. It's a pomegranate balsamic vinegar. That one looks amazing. Oh, all these beautiful vinegars. Look at this. This would be perfect for a gift for somebody. Get your gourmet on in this shop. No problemo. Oh, it's so exciting. Fruit chutneys down here. Burger relishes. Hungarian goulash. Wow. So many things. Oh, glacé cherries. Wow. You don't often find these around. These are hard to find. Great for Christmas, on my Christmas cooking. I'm definitely coming back. Over here you can have your coffee. Then we've got all the beautiful cheeses. We've got so many different cheeses to pick from. Oh, look at the Olympus halloumi. Yes, I love that. It's a bit of breakfast action. I even do it with my lunches as well. Oh, so many different coffees to pick from. Oh, and they've even got sugar cubes. That looks really pretty when you're setting up your table. And you've got people coming around for a high tea. It's a lovely show-off one. Then over here, guys, we've got, oh my goodness, look at all these beautiful zucchini, dill and feta fritters. We've got the most amazing salads down here. Oh my goodness, you've got to have a look at this. Vegetarian falafel. Gluten-free, mushroom, feta and kale tarts. Wow, that's looking amazing. The chicken tortilla stack, that's gorgeous. That's definitely one to look out for. And then we've got this beautiful salad down here. This is the paprika, the chicken salad with sweet potato, snow peas, sweet chili, and honey dressing. And look at that shining under those beautiful lights. That looks delicious. I think this brown rice salad, it looks really inviting as well. Oh, hang on. I think I like them all. It looks so great. And then we have all these amazing cakes to choose from. We've got all these gateaus. There's a beautiful gluten-free raspberry charlotte. The Italian tiramisu. Oh my goodness. I think I've died and gone to heaven. Look at this. Oh, and the lamingtons, chocolate lamingtons. I've never seen such a big, ginormous lamington. Wow. Red velvet cake. Stop it. Look at this. We've got strawberry tarts. We've got double chocolate and caramel eclairs. We've got vanilla slice. Over here, guys, we've got sauces. Come and check this out. And packaging is everything, guys. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful bottle. I love that. Oh, my goodness. That is so gorgeous. I think I'm going to have to buy that one for sure. Okay, we'll just hold on to that one because otherwise I'm going to forget. There's so many things I need to buy here today. Masadas, the pastas. Look how many choices. The tricolours that we have going on here. So many different textures. So many beautiful things to look at. Okay, we've got beef jerky. We've got the Brook Farm nuts. Oh, guys, and I've just found we've got the Herbies. All the beautiful Herbies. All the Herbies range going on. We've got some more Herbies over here, and I've noticed there's some more around the corner, so I'm going to show you all of these. We've got the amazing sea salt, Malden sea salt flakes. This is a must for every chef's pantry. That's what I use. Absolutely beautiful flavours. We've even got some truffle salt over here, guys. Fantastic. I love a bit of truffle salt. And I put this in when I whip up butter and I make truffle butter. I'll put some of that in there to give it extra flavour. Beautiful anchovies. My husband loves anchovies on his pizza. So I actually make anchovy butter. So I whip up my butter and then I put the anchovies through that, and it's absolutely delicious. And then he puts a little bit of mozzarella over the top and a little bit of parmesan, and that flavour is really lovely. Guys, this is my favourite place. This is the cheese section. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What do I see? I see La Dauphine. Okay, guys, check this one out. This is La Dauphine. My favourite cheese in the whole wide world. What else have we got in here? Oh, prosciutto. Oh, all these beautiful meats up here. Mr. Cameraman, you're going to have to come into the fridge here and do a little pan up the top there. Check out all that gorgeous meat. It's all sliced, pre-packed, ready to go. Oh my goodness. I think I've died and gone to heaven at least 5 times. It's so gorgeous. Oh, look. Dauphinois truffle, Dauphinois. Look at that. That's just right. Beautiful. That would be lovely on my cheese platter tonight. Okay, what else? Oh, we've got roulades. These are beautiful. This is lovely to go on your cheese platter. I really like the texture of that. We've got some beautiful pecans and prunes and walnuts. Oh, cranberry and pistachio. That'd slice up beautifully to go with my cheddar. Let me just shimmy over here. Oh, and lavash. We've got all this amazing lavash down here, guys. This is beautiful. Now, this is a real show-off piece. This looks lovely on a cheese platter. I like to get it and put it in a terracotta pot so it stands up when I'm doing a plank, and then it's a real show-off statement piece for all your friends and family when they come on over. Over here, guys. Oh, look at this. This is a Herbies. This is one of the best Herbies display I've ever seen. It's absolutely magnificent. So many different choices and all the spices you need. Oh my goodness. So many different, Malay curry pattern. This is a really super easy way to make a curry. If you just pick up a packet of spice and off you go. Saute your onions, brown your beef, or your chicken or your lamb, and you're good to go. Okay, what else have we got down here? Chili powder, Mexican chili powder. There's brown cinnamon, there's everything you could want. I'm going to have to come back and linger longer here because there's too many things. I just want it all. Wow. Looks fantastic. Okay, over here we've got some beautiful pies. We've got the ham, sliced leg ham. Oh, look at all this meat. And the ricotta, oh my goodness. Ricotta is amazing. And you can even get your own bags here, guys. So it's got the Monolas Brothers bag. And it looks really trendy when you walk through the shopping centre. And you can put all your things hanging out of it. And then over here, guys, here's some lovely seeds and spices. This would make a beautiful gift for somebody if you're making a little picnic basket up. Over here, guys, we've got some amazing pies, shepherd pie, bacon quiches. We've got some of the baklava. Oh, let's have a look at this. Oh, look at this, guys. Baklava. Yummy. And then coming to this little fridge here, guys, this is all the homemade meals. Look at that. How easy is that? Pumpkin sage parmesan risotto. Wow, pumpkin and ricotta ravioli. That looks delicious. Eggplant. Oh, so many choices here, guys. Over here, we've got pastry. Wow, butter puff pastry. Ooh, puff sheets all ready to go. That's going to make cooking super easy. There's so many great choices in here. Come in and have a little look. And look at all that lick ice cream. Oh my goodness. So many flavours. Coffee and hazelnut, mango, macadamia, praline. Stop it. Okay, what else have we got in here? We've got some ravioli. We've got all these beautiful fresh pastas. We've got gnocchi up here. Look at this, guys. Homemade gnocchi. Look at it. Oh my goodness. How good is that? That is fantastic. Really easy dinner. If you keep this in the freezer, guys, you can just grab a bottle of passata and make a really easy dinner for the family. There's also pizzas down here. So much to choose from. Guys, thanks so much for coming on my little journey today. I've had so much fun down here, and thank you to all the guys for having me here today. It's been absolutely wonderful. So I'm going to go shopping, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.